new injury, strong low back, stabbing pain in the low back, right? No radiating pain down the leg.
No.
Pretty acute, pretty new. Tested everything, possible disc injury. Okay?
All right.
Oh, shit.
There you go.
Oh, Jesus. Whew. God damn. I think it feels better.
It's definitely not worse.
That's good. Sometimes you're tense and guarded too. Sometimes you're tense
I
and guarded
was.
on your own.
Once you locked me in there, I was like, oh shit.
People get that way where they're just a fear of like, oh my God, what's this gonna do?
Right. No, yeah, it was awesome.